Let's talk about using voice commands and accessibility features. To activate your voice assistant, just say, "Hey Siri." Another way to turn it on is by pressing the button on the right-hand side of your phone. When Siri is listening, you'll see this icon appear at the bottom of your screen. On your iPhone, text-to-speech is a feature that reads the words on your screen out loud. To access this, go to your Settings app, scroll down and find Accessibility, and touch this space. Then your next screen, touch Spoken Content, which then displays another screen, and turn on Speak Screen by sliding the toggle to the right. Here you'll see it's green and it's on. How do you make the text on your iPhone easier to read? You can do this by adjusting the font size. First, open the Settings app and scroll down and tap Accessibility. Then choose Display and Text Size. On the next screen, tap Larger Text. Here, turn on larger accessibility sizes. At the bottom, you'll see a slider. Move it to the left for smaller text or to the right for larger text. This is really helpful if you find yourself squinting at your phone or if you'd like reading to feel more comfortable. Adjust it until the text looks just right for you.